Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching TechnoRide. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRide. Technology is done right. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix the D3DX9 underscore 43.dll error, missing error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So it's a very simple process and let's get right into it. So firstly, what you need to do is you got to get this file. Okay, so this file will be in the description below. Just click on the link and download it. Very simple. Okay, and then you're going to open this. Okay, popped up right here. So you're going to have this .dll file inside it. Okay, so this .dll file. So you're going to open your Windows Explorer. Okay, and then you're going to go into your C, going to go into Windows and scroll down until you find System32. Double click on it, just drag the file, the DLL file, into your folder. Okay, then you're going to click on replace, continue. Okay, and it'll be here. Okay, so now you can restart your computer and the error will be resolved. So that's all for me guys. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. And I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe. And I'm out.